Lesson 8, Talking about Family.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Ryan. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. How about you?
I have 2 sisters. How old is your brother?
He is 10 years old.
That's nice. What's his name?
His name is Jake.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my brother.
Me too. I love spending time with my family.
Me too.
Do you have any pets?
Yes. I have a dog. His name is Max.
That's so cute. I have a cat named Bella. When is your brother's birthday?
His birthday is in June.
That's cool. My sister's birthday is in December. Do you have a big family?
Not really. I have a small family.
My family is big. I have many cousins. What do you like to do with your family?
We like to eat dinner together.
That's nice. My family likes to watch movies. Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes. We visit them every weekend.
That's nice. I visit mine during the holidays. Do you travel with your family?
Yes. Last year, we went to the beach.
That sounds fun. My family went to the mountains. Do you help your family at home?
Yes. I help clean the house.
Me too. I also help with cooking. It was nice talking to you.
Yes. See you later.
See you.